Excuse the leaf blower you hear back there, guys. But I'm just gonna go on a little walk and see if I can spot any critters, any deer. There's always deer out here this time of night, so I thought I'd bring you along. I still haven't taken the corn out, so I was sure they would have by now. Oh, look at this little kitty. Hi, baby. Where'd you come from? Hi. Where'd you come from? Oh, no. Where'd he come from? He just came out of the cornfield. Aw. Little buddy. Hope you belong somewhere. You're so pretty. Oh no, I think he's coming with me, guys. Yep. I don't know. Well, I found a cat. So pretty. Beautiful. Yes, I've still got the cat. It's beautiful. There's usually deer that come out of here and they cross into the cornfield here, but the corn's still up. Just gorgeous.